As we are here at the final lecture of this course, I hope you've enjoyed our journey through the vibrant and fascinating world of color psychology. Throughout these lessons, you must have noticed the repetition of some basic concepts, such as what different colors mean and how they influence our emotions and behaviors. We did that on purpose. Repetition is a powerful tool for solidifying our memory and ensuring that these concepts stick with you long after the course ends. By reinforcing the meanings and effects of colors, we aim to help you build a strong foundation in color psychology. Now, you can confidently apply these insights in various aspects of your personal and professional life, from designing eye-catching advertisements to creating harmonious living spaces. Let's take a moment to reflect on how color psychology will influence our future. As technology advances and our understanding of human behavior deepens, the role of color in shaping our experiences will become even more significant. In advertising, for instance, we'll see more personalized and dynamic color schemes tailored to individual preferences and moods. Imagine an ad that changes color based on your current emotional state, creating a more engaging and relevant experience for each viewer. In the realm of digital interfaces and virtual reality, color will continue to play a crucial role in user experience design. Designers will leverage color to create immersive environments that evoke specific emotions and enhance user engagement. For example, calming colors like blues and greens might be used in wellness apps to promote relaxation, while vibrant colors like reds and oranges could be employed in gaming apps to boost excitement and energy. The future of color psychology also holds promise for improving mental health and well-being. Researchers are exploring how color therapy can be used to alleviate symptoms of anxiety, depression, and other mental health conditions. By understanding the psychological impact of colors, we can develop more effective therapeutic environments and interventions. As you move forward, remember the core principles we've covered in this course: red for excitement and urgency, blue for trust and calmness, yellow for happiness and optimism, green for health and tranquility, black for sophistication and luxury. These are just a few examples, but they highlight the profound influence that color can have on our perceptions and actions. Keep these concepts in mind as you design, create, and innovate in your respective fields. Before we say goodbye, I want to thank you for joining me on this colorful journey. Your curiosity and engagement have made this course truly enjoyable. I hope you leave with a deeper appreciation for the power of color and the knowledge to use it effectively. Remember, color is all around us, influencing our world in ways we often take for granted. By harnessing the principles of color psychology, you can make more informed and impactful decisions, whether you're designing an ad, decorating a room, or simply choosing what to wear. So as you go out into the world, may you see it in all its vibrant hues, with a newfound understanding of how those colors shape our experiences and emotions. Thank you once again for being part of this course, and I wish you all the best in your future endeavors. Goodbye, and may your future be as bright and colorful as your imagination. As we reach the conclusion of this transformative journey, it's a moment to reflect, celebrate, and look forward. On behalf of the Institute of Practical Psychology, I want to express our heartfelt gratitude for your dedication and engagement throughout this course. We understand the challenges of balancing a busy life with the pursuit of knowledge. That's why we invested thousands of hours in distilling extensive content into concise, impactful lessons. Research in educational psychology indicates that engagement and retention can diminish in longer courses. Sweller, 1988, Cognitive Load Theory, which guided our approach to provide maximum learning in minimal time. Your thoughts and experiences are incredibly valuable to us. We would be honored if you could share your feedback in the Udemy course review section. Your insights not only celebrate our collective journey, but also pave the way for continuous improvement and enrichment. Our endeavor at the Institute of Practical Psychology doesn't end here. We invite you to explore other courses we offer, each designed with the same commitment to practicality and depth. Your journey of learning and growth continues, and we have many more paths to explore together. Before you go, we kindly ask if you could rate this course. Your rating helps others discover this opportunity and extends the circle of learning. Moreover, if you found this course enlightening, please share it with colleagues and friends who may also benefit from these insights. Each course is more than just a learning experience. It's a stepping stone in your life's journey. As we bid farewell, remember that this isn't just the end of a course, but the beginning of new opportunities to apply what you've learned. We wish you the very best in your future endeavors and hope that the knowledge gained here serves as a valuable asset in your journey. Continue to learn, grow, and inspire. Until next time, farewell and good luck.
If you're finding this lesson valuable, you can take your expertise to the next level. Join over 27,000 students at the Institute of Professional Psychology and earn your professional certification in this field. Scan the QR code on your screen or click the link in the description to access the full curriculum, workbooks, and your accredited credential. Let's get back to the lesson.